Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to migrate the WordPress site to the new host. Let's dive right in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On this page, click on Add New Plugin option at the top left side of the screen. Go to the search bar, search Migrate, and then press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options for installation. I will choose WordPress Migrate and Clone Free by Migrate Guru with 1 lakh plus installations, with full star ratings, and mainly compatible with my version of WordPress. Click on the Install Now button and after its installation tab on the Activate button to activate it. Once you activate it, you will be directed to Migrate Guru page. Accept the terms and conditions and enter your email address in the email box. Before clicking on the Migrate button, copy the migration key from this section and then click on Migrate. Here, select the host you are migrating to. In my case, I'm going with HostGator. Next, enter your migration key and fill in all the other required information. Lastly, click on Migrate and you are done. Thanks for watching.